guys, welcome to my channel if you have not been here before, and for those that have, welcome back. Today I'm going to do something a little different. Obviously I have no makeup on right now. I got eyelash extensions that I'm not too happy with, okay? Since we're doing the yoga phase, we're going to start off, which I just got lotion on my legs, on my jeans. So we are going to start off with moisturizer. We are just going to moisturize our face, our neck. Girls, don't forget your neck because it is very important. Let's set in for a couple minutes before we get to the next step. Now that we let that set for about 5 minutes, I just wanted to let you know, I know this is not a face lotion. I already know, okay? This is At the Beach by Bath & Body Works. But it's a super smooth 24-hour moisture body lotion. It works great for my face. It doesn't clog my pores, and it smells amazing. This is my first time trying it, this whole thing. So I'm going to use my regular foundation. It's from, this whole trend started with Sara Hill, I guess. What we're going to do is take our foundation that we normally use, which mine is the Revlon Color Stay 24 Hours in 270 Chestnut. And it's for combination / oily skin, which is me. We are going to put that in our palm. I'm going to do 3 pumps because I feel like I usually do that. And then I'm going to use my illuminator / highlighter, whatever you guys want to use, but liquid. And you have seen this in my other videos before. I'm pretty sure it's, liquid luminous gold. And I'm going to do, because this is super shimmery, I'm only going to do 1 drop. Because it has a little dropper. So I only did 1 drop. And then, this is the interesting part that I've never tried before. And I'm kind of worried about it. So, this is collagen oil, increases skin elasticity. So we're going to do 2 drops of that. It's also a dropper. So 1, 2, I think that'll be a good, let's do 3. Okay. So now that we have that in our palm, I'm just going to mix it with my finger, which I really don't like doing. But we're gonna, because I guess that's part of the process. Look at that. Can you see it? Oh, look at that. Okay. I think I want to do 1 more drop of this highlighter because it doesn't look very, if I can open it, it doesn't look very shimmery. So let's see. 1 more drop. That's it. And then mix that all in. And then with the Sara Hill, she says to use your hands to put it on your face. I don't know if I like this idea. Honestly, I don't really like using my hands, especially what am I, on my palm? What? I don't know. But we're going to try. So this is already on my finger. I'm going to do this. And then I guess like that. I don't know. This method doesn't seem very great so far. But we'll see. I think if it was mixed, if I had one of those, plates to, mix it on, I think this would work out a lot better. And to not use my hands, because I don't like it. I don't like using my hands for this. So, and then I guess just blend all of that in. Wow, this does not look good. It does not look good one bit. I am not a fan right now. I am not a fan. Wow. Okay, maybe once we blend it in a little bit more, but maybe I used too much foundation. I think I might have used too much foundation. I should have done 2 pumps. Wow, look at this. That looks terrible, you guys. I don't like it. It looks really weird for me. And I have to try to get it with my eyelash extensions. So since this looks all crazy and your hands look like a mess, not quite sure if I'm a fan of this so far. So, just trying to get my hair out of the way so it doesn't get all nasty. But okay, so it looks really nice. If you're going for this look, which on me, I don't particularly like no contouring or anything like that, but I do like the glow, and like, look, it's like, it's kind of cute. It is cute because it looks natural, so it is cute. Since I am not liking the texture of this yoga face, I know they say to do it with your hands, but I'm going to use a beauty blender, and I'm just going to try to like pat it all out, because it does look really cakey and thick, and I don't like using my hands. It's not something I like to do. I think it looks a lot better if I pat it out like this. I think I can deal with looking like this every day. Okay, so concealer, we're going to use the Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer in Porcelain. And you don't have to do this, but I have some baggage. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. And then, since we already started with our fingers, might as well continue that. So, I won't use my middle finger. Sorry, guys. I'm not flipping you off. Okay, that's blending really nice. Okay, let's just do the accents up here, so it makes the whole eye socket look nice and bright. Look at that. Look at how pretty. I look cute, you guys. What do you think? Do the comments down below. Do you think I look cute? Would you guys do this? If you guys would do this, because this is the final look now. No contouring, no highlighting. Well, we have highlighter in our foundation with the oil, and we moisturized. I did a little concealer because I look dead without it. I think this is a really good look. Like, it brings out your inner shine, you know? It brings it out. Makes you, and then when you like rub the foundation on, it makes you a little rosy, you know? So it like looks like you got some good blood circulation going on when you're rubbing your skin. It gives you that natural, like, blushy look. And then it gives you this like nice illuminated like skin, like you're like kind of sweaty. Looks good. Thank you guys so much for watching this yoga face tutorial. If you guys like this, do not forget to go down below, comment, let me know what you think, if you would do this or not. And I just want to see, like, where would you wear it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Try it for yourself and see what you think about it, because it's super easy. Takes about 5 minutes, and it's really not a waste of time. I actually like it, and I'm all about like contouring and stuff. Don't forget to go down below, subscribe, turn on your notifications, that way you don't miss anything I have planned. Thank you. Make them dance just like you